Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Right now I'm kind of waiting for my car, or like my mom's car, to stop making these insane noises because it's kind of freaking me out a little bit. But anyway, today I have a crap ton of errands to run around, my head chopped off. Finally made a list, wrote everything down on what I needed to do. Now I'm gonna go do them. Also, I actually should have fixed my hair today because it just looks, earlier today it was kind of like towards the, you know, inner parts of my body, and I thought that was really cute. I was like, oh, it's kind of like a 70s hairstyle, or more like late 60s. Like, it's kind of cute, but now I'm looking at it, I'm like, no, it's not so cute. Anyway, first things first, I need coffee. So I'm gonna go to Starbucks, and there's a thrift store up there which I need to go take a look at because I'm trying to get some more artwork for my kind of filming area. I want to change that up a little bit. I was thinking of getting like faux brick kind of like foam things that I could kind of stick on the wall just in that area to make, you know, change up my videos a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna go into Michael's and see what they have there, and then I have a special project I'm launching in September that will be fully available in October. So I need to go get some supplies to do all that stuff. So that's basically my day. Yeah, you're welcome to come along with me. Hopefully I'll make it somewhat entertaining for you. But yeah, like I said, I need to start rambling because I need coffee. Hey, how are you? Good, thanks. How are you? Good, thank you. Thank you. That nice little ring. Oh, thank you. It's from Forever 21. Those are honestly sometimes the best. Oh, yeah. Have a good one. Thanks. Oh, there's a dog. Oh, the dog is so cute. Cheers. Oh my god, this person's walking through that drive-thru. What are you doing? People are funny. Oh, I need to go to Crappy Tire. I don't really want to do that today because it's gonna be expensive. The room I'm going to. I hate that song and it's stuck in my head. I don't hate it. Well, I kind of do. It's just so repetitive. Like, I've just heard it so many times, but like, it's so catchy. Holy guac and cheese, it's hot. It is 28 degrees. I'm in a flippin' cardigan. Ugh, just dying. I've also been watching, sorry, my face is really close to you right now. I've been watching this car try and park for the longest time. It's the tiniest, like, it's a smart car, but like, it just is not happy with how it's parking and just keeps going in and out, in and out, in and out. I'm like, okay. Anyway, so I went to Value Village. I didn't really find what I was looking for. Okay, I need to turn on the air. I'm dying of heat in here. I didn't really find exactly what I was looking for, but I did find When Harry Met Sally, the DVD. So I'm quite happy to have that. So I picked that up. It's just a cute movie. I love it. It's not my favorite. Princess Bride is my all-time favorite movie, but When Harry Met Sally is up there. It's just one of those like rainy day, I'm gonna kill an afternoon and just sit and watch that with some popcorn. It's really good. I also popped into the dollar store, grabbed what I needed. I went into HomeSense, did not need to go in there, but they changed it. So I kind of needed to. I picked up a wedding card for my friend. Her wedding is in September, so grab that. I also have a bridal shower. Do you get them a wedding card there, or is it like is there an actual bridal shower card you give? I don't know. But I picked up a new friend at HomeSense. Oh, these people are watching me. Hello, hi. So leave your comments down below on what I should name her. I decided to be more even in terms of my plants in my room, because right now they're all boys, like they're all boy names, but I feel like this one's very pretty and elegant, so I think it should be a girl. I don't know. I was thinking Meryl. I think that's really cute. Or Margie. I don't know. That's what I've done there. I now need to, there's a thrift store down the street that I might as well just go check out to see if they have what I'm looking for. But yeah, and then I need to go to the mall. I'm deciding if I want to make this video a come shopping with me, like all day of going through the mall because I want to check out all of the sales going on. Like, it's near the end of their something, like they're just getting rid of summer stuff by now, so everything's really cheap. So I kind of wanted to go in there, but I think I'll do that as a separate video, just to have another video for next week. But I'll let you know what I do, what I decide to do. Okay, anyway, I'm getting distracted and I need to stop. So I'm off. I just love how this vlog is literally just me in the car. I really hope I don't have PETA in the teeth. Oh, hit a bump. Okay. So I finished at the thrift store. I ended up finding a few things, so that was quite nice. I'll show you guys when I get home because my mom texted me saying I got a bunch of PR mail, so I will show you guys that later. I'm just on my way to the mall now, but I was passing by and there was a McDonald's and a PETA pit, and I was like, oh, I really want a hamburger from McDonald's right now. Like, I haven't had McDonald's in however long. I was like, ooh, PETA's healthier. Like, it's wicked hot. It's 28, feels like 35 today, which is ridiculous. Okay, if I eat a hamburger, that's gonna be like sitting in my stomach. I'm gonna feel lethargic, like, no, so I'll go and get a PETA. And so I inhaled it. I was so hungry. I was literally shaking at the thrift store because I realized I just had a bowl of cereal this morning for breakfast, like early morning. I'm like, holy smokes, I need to eat something. And I was like, well, I really want some ice cream, so I'll go treat myself for eating something healthy, and then I'll go to Wendy's and get a $1 Frosty. I haven't done that yet. I think I will do it while I'm done all the rest of my errands. So now I'm off to the mall. I think I will do that in 2 separate videos, just because I don't have an idea of a video to film for next week along with my other how to style. So I think I will break it up into 2, but later on tonight I think I'm going sailing and all that stuff, so I'll just continue this vlog. And yeah, I will see you later when I am home. Bye. So I kind of forgot to continue vlogging. I went to the mall to film a Come Shopping With Me, and I was so tired. I went to Topshop and I went to H&M, so I'll just insert that footage here. But I tried on a really nice blazer that I really liked. It was 80 bucks. I was like, I can't justify spending $80 on a blazer that, like my other blazers, I maybe wear them to events, and if I'm going out for coffee with like blogging friends and stuff, which doesn't really happen all that often. So I'm like, you know what, I can't justify spending that right now. But the cami lace, that was $38. I thought that was quite nice, but I think I can get that on the H&M sale, like the website there. So I'm gonna see online tonight to see if I can just order that. Oh, I tried on a pair of kind of like high-waisted paper bag pants. They were like a pinky or dusty rose. They were really nice. They were very comfortable, although the pockets were a little weird. They were very, I think I had it too big of a size. Like, it fit me in the waist, but the bum area was a little too big. The pockets kind of scrunched up a bit and it just wasn't very flattering. But the top was very pretty. It was just an off the shoulder white blouse, so that was kind of nice. Anyway, then I went into H&M, tried on a bathing suit. I liked it and I didn't like it. It was very cheap material. Like, I feel like once it got wet, it would be super see-through and just not very flattering. I loved the top, but my boobs are too small for the A, so that was kind of frustrating. I had a little moment where I was like, oh my god, my boobs are so small they don't even fit into the cupped bathing suits, and it's a small size. So I was like, it's a little sad moment because I really liked it. I thought it was really pretty and very summery, but c'est la vie. Yeah, and then I was just feeling really tired. I didn't feel like shopping anymore. I didn't want to spend money. I wanted to go film a video, and then I felt all weird about it. So then I just dipped. Maybe I'll film something next week when I'm feeling more up to it, or if I'll just like do like an online shopping thing. I don't know. But anyway, then I came home. I popped into Shoppers. I picked up some mineral sunscreen. If you haven't already, I wrote a blog post on the difference between chemical sunscreen and mineral or physical sunscreen. There's a huge difference. I'll just tell you quickly now that chemical sunscreen absorbs into your skin and allows the UV rays to get into your skin, but there's a chemical reaction that it deflects it, like it just disappears. But it bothers me, like it's mind-blowing that the rays get into your skin and then it just goes away. But with the mineral sunscreen, it acts as a physical layer, so the UV rays don't even touch your skin, or the sunscreen doesn't even absorb into your skin too. So like there was a paper that I read saying that research has shown that, like, now I said this in my blog post, I do not have a science background at all, this is just what I've read kind of thing, but it was saying that like it can get into your breast milk, it can get into men's sperm, it can get into, it affects your hormones and all that stuff. So anyway, I wrote a lot more about it if you're interested in that kind of stuff, or just knowing like what sunscreen's actually doing to your skin, or what creates cancer and all that stuff. So I found that very interesting. So I went out and I picked up that, and then I picked up a few other things from Shoppers, but they're all upstairs. But yeah, I just actually finished a workout. I'm in this sweater that I picked up at the thrift store yesterday or the day before. Sorry, I'm just packing because I'm going to the cottage this weekend, so I've had like things everywhere. But I just did this girl's workout. Her name is Mad Fit. She's actually from my city because I saw her on Instagram, or I saw her Instagram page, and I was like, whoa, like she does workouts to songs, so they're only like 3 or 4 minutes, which I love. Like, you die in them. I just did her 10-minute ab workout, and I was just kind of like, I did that about 20 minutes ago, and I finally, you know, got myself back together again. But wow, she's really, like, she's wonderful because she explains to you what's actually happening in your body and how to actually tone yourself down. So I thought that was really cool. My battery's flashing, so I'm going to quickly show you what I bought. Sorry, I'm just like talking at 5 things a minute. So my dryer's going on, so hopefully you can still hear me. But I picked up this Helly Hansen jacket, and it was $15.99. I thought that was amazing. So I thought that was really cool. It's really nice, just fall jacket. And then I also picked up this Roots quarter zip. Can't really see it, not the best lighting, so sorry about that. I'm out of focus. Okay, sorry, that wasn't the best angles or lighting or anything like that, but that's what I picked up. I also picked up Anastasia because that is one of my favorite Disney movies, and I saw it there, and I always want to watch it, but I can never find it online, so I was quite happy that I picked that up. There is one thing that I will insert now. Bits of this week and last weekend, I was visiting my boyfriend. I received this headlight repair kit kind of thing, or restoring all that, from a company called Dandy Tools, I believe. Anyway, so they sent me 2 products of their kits, and it's just to clean your headlights. So if you have a car or you're interested in to see if it worked, check out this little clip. So yeah, I mean, looking at it afterwards, I personally didn't really see that much of a difference, but it was also his fog lights. So like, as we cleaned it, you kind of saw a bit of a difference. So maybe it was dirty on the inside or something like that. I'm not too sure, but you know what? I'll leave all the links down below if you're interested in trying it out. So they just asked me to try it and just kind of share my thoughts and opinion on it. So there you go. So my battery's just flashing like crazy, so I am going to head out here. I'm really sorry about this vlog. I'm trying to get into daily vlogging, or not daily vlogging, I'm trying to get into vlogs more, but like what happens in my day kind of thing. Honestly, I came home, I was tired, I ate a little bit of food, drank a bunch of water, and then sat down and did some work. That's about it. I made dinner, and then came downstairs to pack. So thank you so much for watching if you stuck around and listened to me ramble and whip the camera around all over the place like a spaz. And give it a thumbs up if you did, if you enjoyed it. And subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any future videos if you want to see some more. And yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next video.